Hello guys, after the latest video I did upgrade of our project to the latest React Native version, which is 0.64, and also with this upgrade we have new flow version, which is pop-ups for me a lot of errors, and I decided to migrate this project to the TypeScript. I basically prefer TypeScript, and originally I picked to use flow types here because I think it's just simpler for people who are not familiar with TypeScript to see it's still JavaScript project, just some flow types, which is can be used or not, but now it's bring more problems than benefits. And here in this video I want to show you how easily you can migrate your any JavaScript React Native project to TypeScript. So let's do this, and let's start with React Native docs. And in the workflow section, using TypeScript, we have adding TypeScript to an existing project section. So just follow these steps. Install dependency. Next, we need to create tsconfig.json file. Let's do this. And copy this config. Also create jestconfig.js. I don't think we need it right now, but probably will be useful for future. So let's create it as well. And the last step is rename all JS files to TS and JS files with JSX to TSX. And we can do this manually, but actually there is a tool, convert JS to TS. Sorry. Which I already have installed, and we can just use it like this, just set path to directory which we want to convert, and it will do this for us. Let's try, but first I want to move app.js to my src folder, so I want all the src I want to migrate to the TypeScript be in one place. Small note, WebStorm automatically refactoring and change dependency where app component used. It's automatically change it pass from just .app to .src app. Okay, I think we're ready, and let's do this JS to TS convert. Just put our path src and let's go. Okay, there is some error, and this is exactly in our app file I moved. So let's try to rename it manually. It contains JSX, so we need TSX extension, and let's try again so it will skip the problem file. Okay, and you see it succeeds. All our files now with TS or TSX extension. Let's try to run our app if it's still running. And you see it points to the error. Actually, if you migrate from plain JavaScript without flow types, you will not have those problems, but because I've used flow types, I have some specific syntaxes which is incorrect in the TypeScript. So let's quickly fix it. Basically it points to the use cart TS. Let's go to use cart, and you see its exact types went like this. We can easily find and replace for all project. Just for bracket, replace all, and we can do the same with close bracket. Okay, let's take a look again. And here is another issue, points to optional types. Let's go and look, it's in the price tiers. So in TypeScript it will be like this. Same problem, use product data details. Just quickly replace all optional types with or null. Let's copy it. Let's find out if we have more such issues. Okay, get category. Looks fine. Okay, something new, get product details. Okay, here we can just use AND operator instead. So we use product interface and our addition. And I think there is one more. Yeah. Should be fine now. What else we have? And voila! Our project is working. So basically we have huge amount of errors, some spreader, some TypeScript errors, but this is already working TypeScript project. Personally for me, when I first time decide to migrate my project to the TypeScript, I have a lot of doubts if I stuck with TypeScript, if I don't know something, or if I have some errors that stops me from the progress. But actually TypeScript is working. If you will write just JavaScript code without types, it will show you, highlight the errors, but project will work, so you don't need to rush with fixing all these errors. What I did in my previous project, I just joined the project on the JavaScript and I forced to migrate it to the TypeScript, and I slowly fixed TypeScript errors in files I worked on, and it took me a couple months. I resolved all those TypeScript errors, and now I continue working with clean, error-free TypeScript project. But it's hard. You can't take just some big project and fix all errors in one day, so you shouldn't worry about it. You can just, in these simple steps, convert your project and continue develop, but already have benefits from the TypeScript. We have relatively small project here, so I'll spend some time in the next video to resolve all these errors. See you in the next video.